Hi YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix. I know it's a little loud, but you hear this noise? Okay, this noise coming from the catalytic converter shield. See, you hear it, you think something going on with the motor or even the shaft. It sounds like maybe a shaft. The customers say that his shaft making noise, but actually it is the catalytic converter. Watch this. When I put my hand on it, stop. See that? That's the shield and the catalytic converter what making that noise in the pipe. You see that? So if you have this noise on your CRV, this is a 2000 CRV, and it's making this noise, and that's basically what it is your shield. So you can replace the shield or do, you know, I'm gonna try a couple of things. Take the shield out, maybe put new bolts in it, or replace the catalytic converter on it. We'll see what we're gonna do. But I think it's a shield issue or the catalytic converter itself on the inside.